I would request empathetic people to protect their aura. Don't let just anybody come in your aura, because you pick on to pick on the emotions of other people. Even the narcissists do, but they pick on the energy of other people for their selfish needs and wants and desires for themselves, basically to use other people's energy. But you pick on to other people's energy, automatically, because you have a heart that wants to help people. You you feel like helping people, so that's why you can feel the pain if somebody is going through something. So it's okay to help people who are good to you, and they are in need. You can help them, but in that case as well, you should not you know go an extra mile for it. I mean, do what you can, but don't push it. Don't push yourself to an extent where now you are in the problem and they are out of it. Yeah, so that is what it is. And yeah, aura, yes. So people will try to touch you, because uh, it happens. They can see the vibrant aura of yours from a very far place. They can feel it, and they attract to your aura like moth attracts towards light. So you should be careful at that. Okay. Take a salt bath, like mix salt and water and take bath. Okay. And you can chant Ram Ram. You can chant Radha Radha. Okay. Try to stay in isolation, because in isolation you are best protected. I mean, isolation is not bad. Okay? Isolation, I mean, if you are a good person, it's good for you. If you are a bad person, then it's horrible to you, because you can't stay in your own aura. You can't, the narcissist.